el lunes. Vamos a bailarlo. Vamos a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by and just giving my channel a chance. Today we're going to be creating this somewhat dramatic look. You know, it's something different that I've never created before. It has a lot of color, so much going on. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already have my foundation and my eyebrows done. So I am gonna go ahead and start highlighting. Today I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I haven't used this in a while, so I think I'm gonna use this to highlight. So I am going to my girlfriend's bridal shower, and as always I'm rushing because I got to go. I'm always rushing when I film on Saturday because I literally always have somewhere to go. And of course I get up late and time doesn't work in my favor. So that's kind of what's happening right now. So I did full coverage for the foundation because you know how my skin has been breaking out? I wanted to hide all the breakouts, so I went full coverage. I wore the Clinique foundation, the Stay Oil Free. When I first got that foundation, I didn't think it was buildable, but it really is buildable, and if you want a full coverage look, it will give you that. They say it's medium coverage foundation, but I do get full coverage with it, so I guess it has that option for full coverage. So to set the highlight, I'm using the black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. This is a translucent powder. I'm just gonna set this. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. I've been struggling with my skin, you guys. Trust me, I love to do makeup videos, but sometimes I don't know, I just feel a little bit insecure when I have breakouts. And so when I film, I always feel self-conscious. But I'm working on that. I'm actually gonna film another video on the new face products that I'm using currently. So after this tutorial, I'm gonna go right into filming that video. Okay, so I'm gonna contour now. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty matchstick. I'm running out of this guy. Look, like seriously running out, so I need to get a new one. I don't like my contour being elaborate when I do smoky eyes, so I'm gonna minimize how much I put on. I don't want it to be too much because I want the focus to be in the smoky eye, so I'm going to make sure this is not too harsh looking, you know? I honestly love the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, the contour sticks. I have nothing but good things to say about them. I like the consistency that you get from the product. It's nice and creamy. You know, it doesn't, the only downside I would say is that it dries out fast, so I always have to contour in sections because it really dries up fast. I mean really fast, so that's just a good FYI for you guys to keep in mind if you want to consider using this as your contour option. It dries out fast, so see how I'm going in different sections? Like I apply and then I blend it in and then I keep going like that. It helps to keep it moist before it dries out, like when you blend it immediately. This is where I love this flat brush when I contour my nose because it gives me so much control. See what I'm doing? It's amazing. So do you notice I applied the product on both sides and then I started blending this one first, and by the time I got to this part it had dried out. That's what I'm telling you, this product dries out fast. I also like to bring the brush all the way up to my temple, like around this part. You know, that way everything looks like it's blending in together. I'm going to use the Morphe Bow Smooth palette and I'm going to focus on this shimmer black and this matte black color, and then I'm going to use an orange transition color. So I'm going to play with it, see how it turns out. Once I'm done applying the black shadows, I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid eyeliners. I don't know which color I'm going to go for. I guess I'll play it by ear. I'm wearing a blue, kind of like a denim jumpsuit, so I use the blue liquid liner. I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to just start off by focusing on the eyes first, and then we will go from there. I'm going to prep the lids with concealer. I'm running out. So I'm using this color for the transition shade. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush, which will even everything out. So I'm just going into the crease part and applying the shade. This color is giving me more pink than orange, so I think we're gonna do I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this orange shade, so like this, like that, and just go back in there and blend. I'm gonna go in with this small blending brush and apply that matte black in the outer corner, like that. I'm gonna go back in with that black and just reapply more product just in the corner like this. And then just put emphasis on the crease part, right in there. So now I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and just blend at the top, like so. So every time I use black shadows, I try to be very careful because it's easy for the product to go into areas you don't want it to go in. It's a little bit harder to blend darker shadows when you're trying to fix something than it is for lighter shadows, like neutral shadows. So when you're working with black shadows, you always want to be very careful. Take your time. Do not rush through applying the product because it's easy for it to go to places you don't want it to go, and having to clean that up can be a pain, you know, so just always keep that in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more concealer and then apply the shimmer shade. I'm gonna use a brush. And I'm gonna use the back of the brush to get that product and apply it on. like so. I like this color. I'm gonna go in with the blending brush and just blend everything. Blend, blend, blend. Like I said, I don't want this look to be very dramatic. I want it to just have a subtle smoke. Nothing too elaborate. Because I want it to complement the look, my outfit. So I'm taking that into consideration. I'm just blending everything right now so it's not looking harsh at all. Just blending, blending, blending. I'm gonna go back in with the transition shade that we used and just blend the top. Just brush off and just go back in there and blend the top like that. And then I slowly close my eye so I can see what I'm blending. And so when you're blending, try to stay in the area where the transition color meets the dark color. If you go too far down, then you're gonna bring product from here all the way up and then it's just, oh, it's not gonna look good. So you always wanna stay in that sweet spot where both colors meet and then just blend. I'm going to apply the neon color for the trio highlighters. I'm gonna zoom in, figuring this out. I'm gonna blend a little bit here. I feel like this eye is looking uneven. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I hope it turns out good. I'm gonna let it dry out and then I can come back and reapply if I have to. So I'm done applying the eyeliner. I think it's a little too dramatic, honestly, but we're just gonna roll with it, whatever. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes. I'm gonna use the Lily lashes. These are in the style Mykonos. I love these lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on the lashes and let them dry. Let the glue dry, and while it's doing that, I'm gonna finish the look off with powder and everything else. Now the first time I wore these liquid liners, I put on lashes that were not too dramatic. The Mykonos lashes are very dramatic. They have a lot of volume and length, and so they were not ideal for the look I went for. But I think this look is dramatic enough, and I need popping lashes that have drama to make it stand out, you know? So I think we'll be good. Okay, so I'm done putting on the lashes. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of black eyeliner at the bottom. think I probably put a little bit too much black on this eye, so I am going to put a little bit more green. I think I'm done with the eyes. I'm probably gonna fix this black right here though. This look definitely took a turn. I didn't think I was gonna go for this, but I guess we're going with this. I hope it looks good. I think it does. Lashes look good. I'm just gonna fix this right here. So now I'm going to set this makeup look with powder. I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark Deepest. Okay, so now I'm going to set the contour with the ABH Bronze Powder in the shade Mahogany. Okay, so now I'm using that black matte color that we used for the lower lash line. And I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm actually gonna use the transition shade as blush just because I think it's, I don't know, it just works. Now applying highlighter. I'm going to apply mascara on the lower lashes. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to apply a brown pencil, and then I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip gloss in the shade Unbutton. I think a lip gloss would just do for this look. It's already dramatic, and I don't want it to be too much with a bright lipstick, so I'm just gonna apply this brown pencil. Actually a liquid lipstick, not a lip gloss. What was I thinking? And then bam, there we go. Woo. What do you guys think about this look? I love it. I didn't think this is what I was gonna come up with, but you know, we're here and we're loving it. We're feeling ourselves. I mean, shoot, we're popping, honey. We are popping. We is popping, okay? Alright, so I'm just setting up the look with the MAC Fix Plus Set and Prime setting spray. The look is done. We're looking fabulous. I didn't expect this look to go this way, honestly, but I'm loving it. It's different. It's definitely out of my league. Something I normally wouldn't do, but I wanted to do something totally different. Why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one.
Hermosa, tú eres la mera mera. Me encanta el look de la nueva era. Dile a Mike que